that can really generate freedom and remove a lot of the fear. When I went to the Transformational Leadership Conference a couple of years ago, I was starstruck being around Jack Canfield and all these big names and Oprah Winfrey's executive producer and an Oscar-winning producer. I was like, oh my God. And I realized after the event, I did 4 things that terrified me. I asked for big, bold requests. And I even asked Jack Canfield if he wanted to write a book together. Come on, how many pitches has Jack got to get per day?
Yeah.
But it felt right. And I realized when I left, the win was the self-expression. The win was I said what was right. I did what was right. And then I think I got 1 yes and 3 no's. The yes was a bonus. So, and what I got from your story, your beautiful story about telling your father that you love him 30 seconds before he died, what I get is, let's use that as motivation to not wait. Let's not wait. I don't know if I'll be alive tomorrow. I really don't. I've nearly died several times. I don't know how long I've got. So the stuff that really matters for each listener, not for me or for Michael, but for you, what matters for you? Maybe it's saying, I love you. Okay. You can practice your edge around that. Maybe it's going for it in your business. Maybe it's like, I'm going to ask 100 people for their business this week. I don't know what it is for you, but whatever that true self-expression is for you, that's what lights me up. You going and doing that and feeling great about yourself. If you get the bonus results, the gravy, I call it, which is more business and more money, that's good too.